today we are doing another, actually we have moved on to another set. It's called National Geographic Mega Science Series Stunning Science Chemistry Set. Amaze your friends. 45 easy experiments.
And yes, an experiment from that.
Yeah.
Right?
It's called Underwater Volcano.
Wow. So we're doing the underwater volcano. And now our first step is to measure 20 milliliters of water.
And that's the second line?
Yes. Milliliters.
Next on the third line.
What?
Straight third.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's just straight the third line.
For real. Got it? I don't know. Let me look. What? I can't see. You have to look at it. Yep, that is it. Second line. All right. And then what are we doing next? Okay, so measure that and pour that into your test tube. For real.
Okay, then.
Is it all in there?
No.
Okay, so add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder.
Cabbage powder.
So open it and then get it to where we can fit our small scoop in. And then I can level it. You gotta make it to where I can level it too, of course.
Oh, I hate this stuff.
Yes. Level. Unless you can do it good enough. You didn't open that.
I don't know. Where did the fan go?
Please don't get it everywhere. Ooh, that looks pretty good. I would just dump that in there.
No.
Oh, come on. So wipe it off on here. Alright, so you got your 1 small scoop of that.
Oh, they're stained.
Then you're going to have to put your lid on and shake her up because it says to stir until it's off, but you know how to do that.
Oh, by doing this. No, I would. Wait, I have one idea.
We're going to need that medium scoop.
It's already purple enough. Oh, I'm losing it. I am losing it. What? It's creating purple foam. How about now?
Cool. I think that's mixed. Come on.
Oh, I'm losing a ton of it too.
Well, then stop.
Wait, I'm getting spots all over me.
So, next is 1 medium scoop of citric acid. Open that up for me.
I thought we just did that.
Medium, that was cabbage powder. Oh.
Whoa, we have a lot of it. What, even enough, almost?
That's good.
Oops. Am I supposed to put it in there?
Wait, what are we doing? Yes, into the test tube. Which is really difficult with the lid on.
Yes, it is. Including when it's really tight on there. Oh, it's stuck on the side.
Okay, now that you can
it's
use...
turning red.
And then you can use the spoon to stir that well. Or it just says stir well. So in other words... Ooh,
Whoa!
And it's going to turn red. Magic. Ooh,
Whoa.
like lava. Because our underwater volcano.
Lava lamp. It's going to be
lava.
like a lava lamp.
Well, let's find out.
What is
Look
it?
at how red that turned. Purple to red because it is now acidic.
You mean if I touch it, it will just burn my hand off?
So citric acid was clear, but the cabbage powder was purple. And then the combination, though, turned red.
Oh, that's swishing.
Awesome.
Yeah, you
So
know.
this acidic solution is going to be our underwater magma.
Yeah, kind of already knew that.
Okay.
Ta-da! Ooh, well.
Then we're going to measure 30 milliliters of vegetable.
Whoa!
That's fine.
Mess.
Measure 30 milliliters of our vegetable
Milliliters?
oil. I don't know if you can get that lid off or not. Yeah,
Of course I
you
can.
Probably has a, no, doesn't have seal. So 30 milliliters.
30?
Third line up.
It has stuff in it. Oh, that's just water. So 40? Oh, man.
Third line up.
Second. Oh, you do not want to get this inaccurate. Oh, you're going to pour it back in. Okay, pretty. That's right, pretty.
Third line up. And then you're going to
Well done.
add that to the,
Mixture.
add it slowly. They say add it slowly into our test tube right here. So I gotta watch that. Slowly. Slowly now. Slow. Ooh.
That's why they want you to do it slowly. So they don't,
Mix.
because they're separated right now. It's so scary. Don't want them to mix.
Cool.
Wow.
Two different things, just all separate.
Yeah, I saw that on TV actually.
Did you?
Yeah.
Now we're going to. Yes, it says-
Do this.
Oh, it said pour the oil down the inside wall so it doesn't form bubbles. Ooh, there's no bubbles really, not too
There
bad.
are most
Some, but not horrible. You're going up to the top.
And some of them are sinking.
Okay, so ooh, look at that interesting mixture. Okay, so now it says to measure
Yeah, that's
one
interesting.
medium scoop. We need our medium scoop of baking soda.
Yeah, I'm kind of have to do that. Well, now I'm going to try this.
And then we're going to drop it into the test tube.
We have to be careful with that test tube now. So we don't mix them.
Right. You're going to drop that one medium scoop of the baking soda powder into. Really?
There's not much of it in here, is there?
Enough to spill it.
Hold it for me. Oh, that's...
Why are you dumping
Dang
it
it,
all
I'm
out?
sorry. It's just not... Really?
All right. Here, because this isn't open all the way, you could have helped with that.
And you smooth it?
I can't see what that needs smoothing, and I couldn't even smooth it if I could. If you can hold it, because we have issues going on here. I think that's good enough, because really...
No, I don't think it's enough. Slowly? What does it say?
It just said drop it into the test tube.
Drop it? Drop.
Hold on.
Now it's turning
can't
purple.
see.
Now it's turning blue. It's turning blue.
What? Whoa.
There it goes.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Please don't fizz out. No, don't fizz. It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's not going to. I want to see it close. Come here.
Wait,
I think it, no, it, don't do that. That's not a good idea. Then it'll put it under pressure and probably blow the cap off. I don't know. So it did kind of mix it though.
What does it feel like? It's bubbly.
It's still having a reaction.
I touched oil.
Yeah, it's still having a reaction. It's the citric acid and the baking
Wait,
soda.
Is that all that's supposed to happen?
So, watch what happens when the powder hits the magma. Just as real magma pushes up from under the ocean, your magma finds its way up through the layer of oil and erupts from the top of the test tube.
Ooh,
you can.
it's
But
like a lava lamp. And usually
it's
the
it's still shaking
clamps.
or still bubbling. I mean, don't shake it. Are you gonna shake it? Ooh.
What happens if I do?
Ooh, I see. Oh, cool. Look.
Wait, it's under pressure. I hear it. Not really.
I mean,
Not really under pressure. What happens if
so
we
you see
tilt
bubbles. You can see the bubbles like magma.
it? Ooh, that was neat. Look at that. See that? Whoa. Ooh, it's under pressure. Pressure.
Pressure. Wow. It's so pink. All right, so now let's find out. So
Now I'm gonna mix it.
Can I read?
Shake it.
The world's largest active volcano starts underwater. Mauna Loa, a volcano in Hawaii, rises 13,677 feet, which is 4,168 meters above sea level. But if you measure it from its base at the ocean floor,
What's it doing?
it stands over 30,000 feet.
What's it doing?
9,144 meters high, taller than Mount Everest.
Look. What is it doing?
So we have made our
Man.
underwater volcano.
What is that?
You made it. It's not as red or pink. Red. I think you added water. You added water and it turned more purple. Is that what happened?
No, I just did that so it was sticky.
I think as they interact with each other more and more, it's becoming less acidic.
There we go.
And it's turning more purple again from that pink or red. That is what happened here.
Ooh, it's filled to the top. It's filled to the top with water now. Oh my gosh. It's not wanting to mix.
Oh, let me
See?
see that again. Turn it over. I want to see that other side. Interesting. Yeah, because oil and water don't mix very well.
Wow. What is going up?
Yeah, it's like a lava lamp. Oil wants to float.
Well, what happens if I open
Has
it
less
and pour it
density.
into
Whoa. Ooh, it's
here?
goopy. Interesting.
Oh, it's like, ooh, look at this. Oh,
I know it was thick.
it's thick. Well, how about if you add a little more red cabbage powder? Not much happens. Reaction's gone. Ooh, how about more baking soda?
And you could also add some citric acid. We have some of that still right here. Add both
Acid.
of them.
Ooh, I might as well get my hands all sticky and wet. So I'll pick it up.
Oh, really?
Ooh, it's fizzing.
I know, I was going to say it's going to be fizzy on your fingers. Because the two are mixing together on your fingers.
Oh my gosh. You hear that?
No, it's over there. It's way over there. Now I hear it.
Wow.
Cool.
It feels so weird. It tingles on my fingers.
Hear that?
How about my hands are dry?
Ooh, we can't get this wet.
Oh.
All right.
Wait,
So,
I have an idea. How about I pour some of this into the counter?
Ooh, look, we could do another experiment if we wrap this one up.
Look at that. Let's pour some
It's
on
fizzing.
here.
I can see the fizzy.
Fizzing on the counter. So slightly on the counter, see? On the counter. Just so slightly.
Okay. We have done our underwater volcano.
Ooh, that's fizzing a lot. I have stirred it.
That's how you can clean stuff sometimes using baking soda and vinegar mixed together can make an actual like foaming
Well,
cleaner.
how about baking soda and citric acid?
Same type because you have an acid and you have your base interacting and making
Hey.
the fizz.
Bye. Please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That will help my channel a lot.